I'm gonna do it.
You poke something in there to release it?
I didn't think that was gonna work, but apparently it's fucking work.
There it is.
Well, this thing came out of it, but I think that's to this. All right. Break it like a switch is right here. Let it go like this. Okay, where's the switch? It's over there on my box, huh?
Yeah. So you do need to take the parking cable. You need to disable the parking cable. I'll show you guys what we did up in the front, but as you can see, there's the parking cable.
Okay, no. So now, you put some bitch in sideways.
Locks into place.
And then I can put it back together. Don't forget to connect the sensor. Remember how I undid it over there?
Yeah.
When I pull this shit, it's gonna go.
Delete, delete, reset, reset. The computers look nice and thin. They aren't looking as bulky. Looks like it's another $250,000 for those.
And sooner or later, we're gonna have iPads.
Really?
No, I'm just saying, like, figures.
Yeah.
Like, they're getting smaller and skinnier.
Yeah,
So
I know.
eventually, it's gonna be like.
Is that still Panasonic? It's not?
What, this?
Yeah.
I think so.
No, it's not. There's no Panasonics on there. They went to another manufacturer. The German said no, no, no.
Shit, didn't do it.
They didn't reset.
Mm-mm.
Fault erased.
Don't kill the car. Bruh.
Anytime now. All right.
Not good. Yeah.
So from the front of the car, driver's side, this is the parking brake cable right here. Just gonna pop this tab open and then pull it out.
Did you rehook it?
I was actually just showing them on video. I didn't rehook it.
No, but.
Oh. It just sits on that hook right there.
Okay, you want the. See, I would have set it off already.
Yeah, I would have.
See? I sabo. Well, no, whenever we put the fucking cruise control.
Good test.